Hello everyone, we have this Samsung TV 55-inch. You can see there is some spots bright, some spots dark. That's from a bad backlight on the bottom. So the TV model number is un55nu6900. This is the replacement backlights. They come with the double side thermal paste tape. So let's replace this one.
No screws.
Right. Yeah, this TV it has no screws. There is
Just you have to use the open tool.
yes.
You just the stand. You just take the stand. Huh?
Put the video on the board. So you can use any flat screwdriver. So all you have to do, don't stick the screwdriver more than this. It's like about 2 inches. Don't use it in the bottom of the TV where is the coffers. The side here, they are okay. So to open the TV, you see this little so there is a little hole here. Don't stick it all the way in, so don't touch the cuff, just a little bit like this, and lift it up. And stick the screwdriver like this. Step. And start going. Can you hear it?
Making that sound. Oh.
Here, just
Hey Dad,
yes.
you may finish this video
Why?
because you have more time.
Okay. Okay. Something to hold it. So far. Start from this. From here. So one hand lift up a little bit, the other hand start going. Any flat screwdriver, it will work.
What's the problem with this?
Backlight.
Oh,
So this is the coffers that I told you to be careful about. So you don't stick
the coals to there.
Yeah, don't stick the screwdriver from here to don't damage these coffers. So that's why there is the coffers all the way in the bottom.
Careful.
Let's take the speakers. And we check the power button and IR sensor.
Don't take out these boards.
So we need to check the stand holder. And here, so there is a clips to check this bar, like this.
But don't touch the coves.
No, don't touch them.
Something may happen.
Here, so we check this bar. Then, so check this tape. Watch here to show us. Disconnect the screen. We check the tape. Then we flip the TV.
This probably might be quick.
So here. Just a little bit. Lift it up and wait it. So let's take, we're gonna slide this panel board.
Don't broke them.
Yeah, they are very fragile.
They may broke easily.
Okay. Right.
Do I stand?
Yes. For a little shape. So hold the board. So we'll let the screen this way. We'll hold it from here. From this way. So your hand is not pressing in the ball, but just on the screen. So you lift it up till it's free and keep watching the corners. But don't hit nothing. Bring it all the way. Pour it there.
Now,
Take the films.
and then we take out this.
Take these bars. You can stop now.
Huh?
You can stop. Yeah, any flat tool it will work, just to get these clips free.
Let's see how the backlights are.
Yeah, come here. So you can see here some waves, that's from the backlights getting very hot and start melting this plastic glass. You can see it.
Yep, I see the waves.
Yeah. But it's still gonna work.
And no back. Oh,
and this is the backlights.
Oh, and here.
See them? They're over there.
I don't see them, but I know they're in here.
Here. So let's check this connector. Check this connector as well.
Hey, Dad.
Yes.
I thought the backlights were in here,
Yes.
but it's.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I am.
So you go little. Is there?
You don't want to break them.
Now this one is bad. We don't need them. Just go like this. If you can get them with this adhesive and the thermal paste, it will be good. It will be more easy than cleaning. One, number two. All right. Let's go back. So next we're gonna start cleaning these old double-sided tape. Just pull it slow. Try to get it in one piece or bigger pieces. It's more good. It's more easy like that.
Throw
Okay,
them
you
in
can
the.
stop recording.
Okay. Pause or
You can pause.
go.
So let's test the new backlight before we check the adhesive. I'll get to the power. So all the LEDs works. Go forward. and there is no dark. There is no LED off, it means there is no dark spot.
Works.
So next, now it's going to be like
Pause.
okay. No. So let's push it. Don't push in the LEDs, just on the empty spots.
Don't touch on the light.
Yeah, the LEDs light, so cause they get damaged quick.
Because they're
Not
fragile.
Yep. Alright, my boy. Next. Alright, it's good. One more test to be sure that it works. Where are you recording? Yeah, the LED works. Okay, let's put this stuff together.
That was quick.
Shut up all the corners. All the way in.
So we just installed the screen, and the backlight looks good. So there is no dark or bright spot. So all looks good. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next one.